I love that I have like actual food in the house, but what am I eating for lunch? Waffles. Ooh. Let's see if I can break this apart. It's like having like half the packet greedy. Is 4 too much? I'll have 4. Pretty sure I need to keep. I love that I need instructions and I put the instructions back in the freezer. Oh, I could grill it. Nah.
A great success!
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a bit of a shorter, just random vlog. I'm sorry if you expected a university related vlog as I normally do this week, but this experience, let's just call it, happened this Saturday just gone, and when I got there, I wasn't planning on vlogging it, but when I got there I just thought, why not? I'm filming this after it happened, obviously, and after the day, I just thought, well, you know, I just knew I had to kind of share it with you guys. I don't always want to post about university stuff, even though this channel will mainly be about my university life and advice and tips I can give you guys along the way. As you can tell from the title of the video, we went to a alpaca farm. The farm was called Middle England Farm, and it only been running for a few years apparently, but they have 32 alpacas there. It was really nice to be able to go back home, or you know, even if it was for a few hours, because I haven't been back to Birmingham since I moved to Nottingham nearly 2 months ago, so it was nice to see the house, and you know, even if it was just briefly. But I should probably stop rambling and let you guys watch the next 4 minutes of alpaca footage and let you guys see how I got on walking an alpaca. So let's go.
Baby. Oh, and the other one.
Oh, I've got 2.
He was needing more food.
I haven't eaten goat's cheese since. I've never liked it.
Don't look at me like that, mate. Here comes Big Mama.
Look at this one.
Unless it's in your hand.
So after they introduced us to the female alpacas and the other farm animals such as the sheep, the goats and the pigs, we were assigned a male alpaca we had to walk for the rest of the experience, and as you can see I had one called Julios who clearly did not want to do any walking. I love that it was an alpaca walking trip, yet the alpaca pretty much walked me. Trust me to get the problematic one. It's not very sociable, is he?
No.
Just wants to eat, doesn't want to deal with me. Hello. I'm scared. I just want to tap it on its head, but you're not supposed to, so. What eating?
He's eating.
He's eating.
She's eating.
He's eating.
And that's just taking the dump.
I can't get him in. Where has he gone? There he is. He's not sure. Okay, I'm walking.
Yep. Thank you.
Oh, I'm stuck. It's still on me.
Thank you.
Thank you. Success.
Nice.
So this is Larry, who is the tallest llama in the UK, apparently at 6'10". Hello. He's not sure.
I'm not sure.
Party llama. So here's a couple of photos that Dan kindly took of me attempting, and when I say attempting to walk the alpaca, I mean failing to walk the alpaca, as you can see by the look on my face. But we had a great time and we got to take that all-important selfie with the alpaca. So there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed that mad bit of footage. As you can see, I'm clearly not a great alpaca mother, as I thought I'd be, but me and Dan tried. When I say that, I mean I tried, and Dan just spent the entire 90 minutes just laughing at me, as most people would, because I'm just tragic. It was a really good experience. If you guys are interested in doing one of those, I highly recommend it as a day out. I can link the website for the alpaca farm I went to down below if you're interested. But if you don't live near Birmingham, then I suggest researching other, obviously, alpaca farms closer to you. It's just such a great family day out. There were other couples of us as well, and there was a few families. It's great for just any age. I realised while I was editing this that I didn't really tell you about how the alpaca trip actually affected me afterwards. Funny story. Literally, after I was leaving the alpaca farm with Dan and my mom, I could not stop sneezing. Turns out alpaca wool doesn't have a certain covering in it that makes it hyperallergenic, which means that it's very easy to be allergic to it. And guess which idiot is allergic to alpacas? I love the fact that I'm not allergic to anything apart from alpacas now, so that's fun. Even this morning I could not stop sneezing, even though there's not even an alpaca in the room and I'm not wearing any of the stuff that I wore yesterday. I even had to buy myself some bloody Piriton because I could not stop sneezing, so we love that. Hopefully I will be doing more uni related stuff next week, depending on what people want. I've had a few people ask for me to do a uni tour around NTU, so I'm going to try and do that. If you are from NTU and you see me walking around talking to my camera, then that's what I'm doing. I promise you I don't do that normally. It'd be great if you guys could let me know whether you want me to do more videos about just genuine uni advice, like loneliness, homesickness, just how to deal with uni, or to do more about, because it's currently UCAS season and student house kind of letting season, so it'd be great if you guys could let me know if you want more advice on UCAS or personal statements and like how I did mine and how I chose NTU, for example, or if you want me to talk about student houses. It'd be great if you could let me know whether you want me to talk about the difference between student halls and houses, whether you're unsure, because I know some people aren't always sure whether to stay in student accommodation for second and third year. If you are interested in knowing my opinion of living in a student house, and also my opinion on how the process works and how easy I found it to get a student house, then let me know. I'd really appreciate it when you guys comment or like just pop up to me in DMs and like ask for like certain videos to keep doing that. I am listening. I probably should leave it there. Thank you for watching this shorter vlog. I don't know what I'll be doing. I'm gonna try my best to upload weekly as usual. I wanted to increase it to 2 times a week, but I've got a few deadlines coming up, so it might even be hard to just post once, but I will try my bestest for you guys, because I know Even though it is only a small channel at the moment, I have had so much like support and so many people contacting me saying that they love the channel and they love my weird tragic moments, especially with me in the kitchen, which is why I put those cameos at the start. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. It means the world to me, as you guys know, and especially if you have come to my channel wanting more university advice, click the bell down below so you're notified when I do post every week. Like, I should post every Tuesday at 6 o'clock. That is my schedule and it probably won't change. I'm going to keep it like that. However, just in case you forget, you know, it's always best just to click that bell just so I do pop up in your notifications. But yeah, the alpaca farm was amazing, and if you want me to do more of that kind of content, let me know again. I'll see you guys next week. Bye!